I'm back with another thrift haul. This time also during my lunch hour. I shopped a local thrift store. I spent $26.25, and these are the items that I purchased. 3 of the items have sold already from this thrift haul. Can you guess which ones they are? Stick around and let's find out. I picked up this Victoria's Secret pink shirt. It's a long sleeved with this spell out sequin logo and the sparkly dog on the chest. I believe it was $3. Again, nothing was marked there. I just know what my grand total was. I'm estimating this was $3. Here is a Disney plus size 3X sweatshirt, also $3. My name is Zandra, also known as Piece of Scrap on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and Mercari, and I'm a part-time reseller on those websites, and what that means is I shop thrift stores and garage sales, picking up undervalued items and flipping them for a profit online. If this sounds like something that interests you, give this video a thumbs up, which tells me you like this kind of content and you'd love to see more of it. I picked up these measuring spoons new in the box. I will either try to resell these or give them to one of my children. They were just $1, and you can't beat that for new measuring spoons, and they look like little pigs. I'm also a sucker for cats, so I could not pass up these cat and dog stickers for just 50 cents, also new in the package. I'm going to run that UPC code on these and see if they are available on Amazon and what the resale value could be. I also picked up this Ariat pearl snap shirt for women. It's a size medium. Again, I believe the shirts were $3 each. Back there is another Ariat shirt with Free Spirit design on the front, having a mesh upper shoulder and sleeve. It's also size medium. So I'm guessing these 2 shirts were donated by the same person. Over here is a love pink Victoria's Secret hooded jacket that I couldn't pass up. It was priced up a little bit at $8, but with the sequins embellishment and it being a full zip jacket, I think I should get a pretty good price out of that. Over here are 2 of the exact same shirt by Roper. They are size extra large. They have a rebel design with a rose print throughout. Again, I was charged $3 each for these. In total, I spent less than 1 hour at this thrift store, and I spent $26.25. So I'm going to get this stuff listed and see how we do. 3 of the items have sold already from this thrift haul. Can you guess which ones they are? Stick around and let's find out. The Mickey Mouse Christmas sweatshirt sold for $20 and the buyer paid $9 shipping, so they were almost $30 all in on the sweatshirt. The Ariat women's blouse also sold for $23 and the buyer paid $7 shipping. So again, $30 all in on this shirt. However, the buyer did not pay, so I canceled the order with the option the buyer has not paid. The item has been relisted and is currently available in all of my online stores. The pig measuring spoons sold on Amazon for $13.95 and the buyer paid $4.99 shipping. Again, I picked these up for $1 at Goodwill, so my profit $10.23. This thrift haul alone has already paid for itself. I've sold $47.94 in items. Now that's just the 2 items that I received payment for. That does not include the Ariat shirt that I had to cancel. So $47.94 in gross sales. You could see here from my handy dandy spreadsheet that my net profit on just those 2 items was $26.26. So I'm already winning with this thrift haul. The total I paid for the thrift haul was $26.25, and I still have items to sell. If you enjoyed this short and to-the-point thrift haul, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so others that are searching for easy peasy thrift hauls can find it. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel to keep an eye on my What Sold videos, and perhaps some of these items will show up in the next What Sold on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and Mercari videos. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so please take a moment and click the subscribe button, and while you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified of my next video. I will link another thrift haul video here. Continue watching.